Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. So that's a 12 by 12 inch canvas, or 14 by 14 inch canvas. And I'm going to put black and white paint in my shovel. And then I'm going to spread it on that canvas to see how it comes out. If I need to do something different. I think what I need to do is level off my shovel so it's not tipped. This is Anita's white metallic. I might use a different white. I probably should have put whatever I didn't care about the most in the back, because what's in the back of the shovel doesn't usually come out very well. First in, out last. Try and change it up. I could drag a skewer through. That might be a good idea. I want a full shovel though. I've got to figure out how to put paint in so that it works. I'm thinking about putting the other paint in something, another bigger container. Now I've got a schmutz spot on here. So that's interesting. I'm going to grab my Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula, push some more paint toward the front so I don't have to waste as much. For that first dribble, it looks pretty cool. That reminds me, I've got rubber brushes and no reason at all on an experiment not to try them out. It's every possibility I might want to add some color to this. Some future point in time. Not sure smearing is a good idea. So I'm back, and this is a test canvas, so I'm going to give myself permission to do whatever I want to test this canvas. That's some Dancing Fuchsia. That's some Miami Magenta. This is some Whispering Wisteria. This is Blue Flame. I've got my small oxo omelet turning flip and fold spatula. And as I suspected, the colors are very nice and sheer, which lends itself quite nicely to covering the back of the canvas. I think I'm going to add a little bit more of everything as I go along. And then when I come back, if I come back, I'll probably come back, I'll deal with the next stage. More dancing fuchsia. I think a little pink carnation won't hurt anything. And maybe some more Maimi magenta. And we'll wipe off that blue flame. Cool, it's kind of like a glaze, you know? I want some yellow, but I've got this triple sec out and I'm tempted to use it. So let's do that right after I get rid of that little bit of leftover paint on my spatula. And wipe it off. Need some more actual green. I'm going to try the Fandango. It's really tempting to use some of the wintergreen, but I think I'm going to give it a miss for right now. Stick with colors that will blend together easily and not be too dark. I almost got rid of most of that residual color. It's basically staining. I still want some yellow, but mostly I want some orange. I think I better use the yellow next though. That'll lay my groundwork for the orange maybe. Can't figure out how I could actually get the paint off more cleanly, so I'm just going to put up with it the way it is. Because it's an experiment. And I'm going to use the orange next, along with the tangerine. And maybe some pink carnation. Tangerine is just yellow with orange in it. That's more pink carnation. Trying to not bleed over the marks that are there is really not possible. Kind of feel like I should have just gone for it. And I can still do something tomorrow or whenever with some black, which was my original intention anyway. Now anytime I want to get the paint off my spatula, I can always use my rubber brushes, as long as it's not ready to be dry immediately. I think more pink carnation here. More dancing fuchsia. Big thunder boomer. Some more whispering wisteria. Getting pretty close to being good and done. I'm thinking maybe some more blue flame right there. Not sure about the last little zone. We'll see in a minute. I am thinking I could go over whatever I want. With other colors, but being that they're so sheer, I'm a lot nervous mucking them up. Should I? I think maybe. Miami magenta, and a little more dancing fuchsia, and I think I'll be done with this portion of this exercise. Experiment. Wonder how many layers I could put on and still maintain the background design. That was irreverent of me. Don't really want rough edges, but I kind of like that. And I don't mind taking some of the paint right off. As long as it's wet, I can. The orange does not come off well. Note to self, don't do that again. We'll just go with the flow for now. I'm wondering about over here. I kind of want some orange over there. I think I need a clean spatula to do that. Alright, so that's good for right now. Such as it is, whatever it is. And I like it. So that's cool. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the compliments that keep my morale boosted. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. I really appreciate you guys being here. If you watch longer or watch some of the commercials or make a comment, those things are all super helpful to me. My creative playlists are on my YouTube channel. And if you go to my YouTube channel banner, you'll find the PayPal icon. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links on my link tree. My community board will show you tomorrow's videos. If you have questions or you want the paint pouring recipe, ask me questions. It will. The paint pouring recipe is below Show More. When you click Show More, you're going to find my email address. Thank you for everything. Shop my Amazon link, please. You can buy anything you want from there. And my 2 books are there, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, volumes 1 and 2. Thank you again for being here. I love you guys dearly. You inspire the heck out of me. Bye for now. Priscilla out.